po mga tagapakinig sa ating programang Manage Life Radio, maging sa ating mga estudyante sa The Lane Star Investor Class, maging sa ating mga estudyante sa Think and Grow Rich Class. Thank you po sa patuloy na pakikinig at suporta sa ating programa. Ang programa po natin ay umi-air po mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, at sana po ay patuloy tayong sumusubaybay sa programang ito at patuloy nating i-feed, pakainin ang ating intellectual mind of new things. Sa umaga pong ito o sa araw po na ito, pag-uusapan po natin yung 10 things successful people never do again. Mga 10 bagay na hindi dapat gawin uli ng isang successful person. Ito po ay ayon kay Dr. Henry Cloud. It is posted last June 24, 2014. Ito po ang 10 bagay na sinabi niya na wag na nating gawin. Una is return to what hasn't worked. Wag na tayong bumalik doon sa mga bagay na hindi naman nag-work out. Kung may mga bagay po sa ating buhay na hindi naman pala kapakipanginabang, bakit balik-balikan pa natin yun? Yung isang negosyo na alam naman natin hindi talaga ayon sa atin, bakit pa natin babalik-balikan yun? Yung trabaho na hindi talaga akma sa atin, wag na nating balik-balikan yun. Mag-umpisa, maliban na lang, kung meron kang bago o kakaiba sa trabahong ito. Pero kung ganun pa rin, babalik ka pa rin doon at ganun pa rin ang ating issue, never expect po na may pagbabago sa buhay natin. Yun po ang totoo. Kaya una sa listahan po na di dapat gawin ng isang successful person ay ang pagbalik. Kung ano man yung hindi umaakma, the things that hasn't worked. Number 2, don't do anything that requires them to be someone they are not. May mga tao na kahit hindi talaga sila yon, nagiging nagfi-fake, pinifake nila yung sarili nila to become what they really want instead of thinking things to be who they can be. In everything we do, we have to ask ourselves, why I am doing this? Am I suited for it? Does it fit me? Is it sustainable? If the answer is no to any of this question, you better have a good reason to proceed. Don't ever try to think, Don't ever try to think to be a person who you are not. Be the person who you are. Magpakatotoo tayo. Yung sanabi na, magpakatotoo ka. So yun po ang pangalawa. Pangatlo po na hindi dapat gawin ng isang successful person is to try to change another person. Hindi po natin gawain na baguhin ang ibang tao. When you realize that you cannot force someone into doing something, you give him or her freedom and allow them to experience the consequences, and in doing so, you find your own freedom as well. So when you are not forcing anyone to be what you want them to be, then you make them free. At ikaw din po o tayo din po ay naging malaya na rin. At ang nangyayari niyan, because we don't allow other people to fit into our own categories, binigyan natin sila ng pagkakataon to excel. Huwag nating ipilit. Number 4 po sa listahan. Believe they can please everyone. Don't ever assume that you can, or don't ever believe that you can please everyone. Once you get that it truly is impossible to please everyone, you begin to live purposefully trying to please the right person. You don't have to please everyone. You only have to please the right people. Hindi lahat ng tao malulugod sa ginagawa natin, kahit napakaganda na ng ginagawa natin. But not all people will be pleased with what we are doing. Number 5, choose short-term comfort over long-term benefit. Tayo pong mamimili. Minsan, ang ilang tao ay pinipili yung short-term comfort, yung panandaliang kaligayahan, compared doon sa long-term benefit. Huwag po natin gawin yan, na mas pipiliin natin yung panandaliang comfort. Instead, we have to choose to look on the long-term benefit. Halimbawa, ganito, pinipili natin bumili ng Apple na iPhone ngayon, not knowing na yung pera natin, pwede pa natin i-invest for greater earnings, Tinitingnan natin yung short term lang, hindi yung long term. Ay, bibili tayo ngayon kasi nag-sale. Short term po yan. We have to look on the long term benefit. Number 6 po, trust someone or something that appears flawless. Wag po tayong padaya dito, Wag magtiwala sa isang bagay na sa paningin natin ay parang flawless o mga incredible, no? Remember always na meron din yung mga flaws, no? Merong mga pagkakamali at merong kunting sira dyan, no? Kaya wag basta magtiwala. Kahit pagaano kagaling ng isang kumpanya, wag basta magtiwala. Ang kailangan po ay pag-aralang mabuti. Kung gusto natin na sigurado tayo sa pinasok nating negosyo, araling mabuti. Wag lang basta magtiwala sa sabi-sabi, no? Kasi ang taong naniniwala sa sabi-sabi ay walang tiwala sa sarili. Sabi lang, walang bait sa sarili. Another point po, number 7. Don't take your eyes off the big picture. Ibig sabihin, huwag tayong tumingin lang doon sa maliliit na detail but always look on the big picture. Huwag na natin gawin uli. Natitingnan natin yung bawat detalye pero hindi natin tinitingnan yung big picture, no, as a whole. We function better emotionally and perform better if our lives when we can see the big picture. For successful people, no one event is ever the whole story. Winners remember that each and every day. No, kung titingnan mo, it's not just the whole story, it's just part of the whole story. Kaya wag po tayong magsabi, "Oy, ang ganda naman niya, ang successful naman niya." Kasi nagkuan siya, nag-network marketing siya, yumaman siya. Don't look at it on the small picture. Look also the sacrifices he has made before he reached the success that he has right now. Another, neglect to do due diligence. Huwag kalimutan, o kung halimbawa, tayo madalas meron tayong tinatawag na negligence of duty, no? We have to be diligent in our work. Don't ever neglect the job or the particular task given to us. Why? Because every simple detail is very important po sa bawat isa na gustong maging successful sa buhay. Don't do it again. Don't do it na inineglect natin yung dapat sanang gawin. Number 9 po, pangalawa sa huli. Don't ever fail to ask why they are where they find themselves. When you fail to ask, no, na bakit ka nandito, now, you are bound to fail talaga. One of the biggest differences between successful people and others is that in love and in life, in relationship and in business, successful people always ask themselves, what part am I playing in this situation? Said another way, they do not see themselves only as victims, even when they are. So when there is a certain scenario, always ask yourself, bakit ba ako nandito? What is my role in this scenario? Even though, kahit alam nila na sila yung biktima, pero tinitingnan pa rin nila na parang hindi lang yata ako biktima dito. Meron ding ibang bahagi dito eh. So you have to understand these things. You don't have just to assume, no? Hindi lang basta mag-assume tayo na okay na ang lahat. You fail to ask, no? Kung bakit ka nandyan. You have to ask yourself, bakit ba ako nandito? Last but not the least, people or successful people don't forget that their inner life determines their outer success. Sa madaling sabi, our inner world creates our outer world. Kung anong nasa loob, siya po ang nakikita sa labas. Kung ang pag-iisip natin ay positibo and successful, remember that we will become successful in life if we reveal it to the outer world. Now, gusto ko pong tapusin ito. Merong 10 pong binanggit doon, pero sa palagay ko po, hindi lang po 10 bagay ang naghahatid sa kanila ng success. No? You have to understand that you don't have to do it again if these things doesn't work in your life. Don't do it again if it will only cause you to fall. Don't do it again if you will not make any differences. Huwag mong gawin uli kung hindi ka man lang maghahatid ng kaibahan doon sa palagi mong ginagawa. Kaya po ang challenge ko po sa inyo is change our inner world and our outer world will be changed. Baguhin natin yung loob natin, baguhin natin yung isip natin, baguhin natin yung lahat-lahat na nasa atin, no? Yung sa loob-loob natin. At sa ganon, makikita natin sa panglabas kung ano ang pwedeng magbago para sa atin. Kaya kung gusto natin na maging successful, don't do it again. Huwag ulitin, huwag gawin uli yung mga bagay na hindi naghahatid ng success sa atin. Kalimutan at isang tabi ito. This is OG Solitario challenging you. Don't just survive, but also thrive. Rich for managed life. Hanggang sa muli po. Paalam at God bless po sa atin.